June 5 na magbubukas muli ang Southeast Asian Games. Ang mga atleta nating sasabak doon, todo na ang paghahanda para makapag-uwi ng parangal. Ang mainit na balita hatid ni Mark Zambrano.
Puspusan ang paghahanda ng mga atletang kakatawan sa Pilipinas sa Southeast Asian Games. Ang 2014 Youth Olympic Games gold medalist sa archery na si Gabby Moreno, 6 na araw bawat linggo ang ginugugol sa training. Sa archery range na nga daw siya natutulog para walang masayang na oras sa ensayo.
I've never trained like this before. For sure, I'll be having better results than what I've done in the Youth Olympics and the recent World Cup. So yeah, I've been training 5:30 in the morning until the evening. So yeah, it's been hard.
Sa darating na June 5, muling masusubukan ang tibay ng loob at lakas ng ating mga Pinoy athletes, katapat ang mga magigiting at magagaling na koponan mula sa Asia. Ang men's basketball national team na binubuo ng pinakamagagaling na players sa collegiate at amateur level, puspusan na rin ang training. Defending champion sa SEA Games basketball ang Pilipinas national team. Ayon kay Kiefer Ravena na nasa 2nd taon bilang bahagi ng national team, perfection ang habol ni Coach Tab Baldwin mula sa kanila.
He's a perfectionist. He's a detailed-oriented coach. So even though, you know, we make physical mistakes all throughout the games. Siyempre, mapapagod ka, you'll miss layups, you'll miss jump shots, you'll turn the ball over. Ang pinakayaw niya lang talaga is you losing focus inside the game.
It's the only thing that I'm prepared to accept, so I'll never be satisfied because I think as a coach, the day that I'm satisfied is the day the team starts going backwards. And I know we'll never achieve perfection, but it's the standard, I think. You know, so it's a good Lord called us to do as human beings, and it's, you know, it's what I'm trying to call this team to do as a basketball team. And as long as we aspire to that, and it's a genuine aspiration, we really try to get better.
Todo suporta naman ng PBA legend na si Bong Ravena kay Kiefer at 30 na kasama din sa team.
Siyempre masaya. Like ako kasi nag-represent din ako sa country before. Siyempre iba yung feeling. And then nakikita ko sa mga anak ko na nag-aano rin sila, the second generation naman. So, sobrang happy ako.
Kung iisipin natin parang lahat gusto maglaro para sa bansa, not just me. Yun nga, nabigyan ako magandang opportunity, so I'm really trying to do the best na makakaya ko.
Kinumpirma naman ng team na hindi makakalaro si Ray Parks dahil nasa Amerika siya para subukang makapaglaro sa NBA. Magsisimula ang SEA Games sa June 5 sa Singapore. Mark Zambrano, GMA News.